In the 4th century, the Church was going through a deep crisis that threatened both its unity and its understanding of the faith itself. This period was marked by the Arian controversy, a major division that questioned the divinity of Christ and created strong tensions between bishops, communities, and leaders. It was in this troubled context that Saint Julius I became pope, called to guide the Church in a time of uncertainty and confusion. Faced with this crisis, Julius quickly understood that his mission went far beyond simple administration. He had to defend the truth of the Christian faith with firmness while also seeking to preserve unity among believers. He found himself at the center of complex debates where the stakes were both theological and political, as the decisions made would deeply influence the future of the Church. Among the important figures of this time was Athanasius of Alexandria, a courageous bishop who defended the divinity of Christ. Athanasius was contested and exiled several times. Julius chose to support him, recognizing the truth of his position despite political and religious pressure. This support was not without consequence, as it exposed the Pope to criticism and opposition. Julius acted with wisdom. He convened synods, listened to the different sides, and sought to establish truth with charity. He insisted on careful discernment and refused rushed judgments. His way of acting showed that it was not only about defending an idea, but about protecting the truth that forms the foundation of Christian faith. In a world influenced by political power, Julius reminded others that faith should not be dictated by authority. He affirmed that doctrinal decisions must be made with seriousness and fidelity to apostolic tradition. This position required courage, as it went against certain civil authorities. Despite the tensions, he remained a man of peace. He did not seek conflict, but truth. His patience and perseverance gradually helped clarify the situation and strengthen the unity of the Church. His pontificate helped affirm an important principle: the Church must remain faithful to revealed truth, even when it is difficult. This fidelity became a source of stability during a turbulent time. Julius also played a role in organizing Christian life in Rome. He contributed to strengthening the community and deepening the faith of believers through his teaching and example. Over time, his work bore fruit. The truth of the faith became clearer, and unity grew stronger. Even though tensions did not completely disappear, his efforts helped prepare a more stable future for the Church. He died on April 12, 352, leaving behind the image of a faithful and courageous shepherd deeply committed to truth. His legacy continues to inspire those who seek to live their faith with integrity. Let us be inspired by Saint Julius I to remain firm in truth, to seek unity without compromising what is essential, and to trust God even in times of confusion and trial.